Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use video to answer to TikTok comments. TikTok allows its users to create video replies to comments on their videos. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your TikTok profile page and click on one of your videos. Hit the comments icon on the right hand side of the video screen. Press and hold the comment you want to respond with a video. Then choose the Reply with Video option from the pop-up menu. Now record your video as you would normally do. You may add a sound, text, insert stickers, or write something on your video if you want. After that, click on the Next button and post your video on TikTok. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use video to answer to TikTok comments. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.